Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the app and operating system so you know which shortcuts apply. This changes the keys and modifiers. Once done, open the program and a simple text editor so you can test each shortcut as you try it. Make sure to enable an on-screen keyboard or keyboard viewer if your physical keyboard has missing legends or specialized keys. That helps you map odd key labels. Now you're ready to record and compare key combinations methodically. You inspect the app menus first because many shortcuts are shown next to commands. That gives immediate answers and explains intent. Then use the app's help, keyboard preferences, or mapping utilities to list customizable bindings. This is where hidden or context-sensitive shortcuts appear. While testing, press modifiers deliberately, Control, Alt, Option, Command, Shift, and write down the full sequence so you remember order and timing. Once you've documented them, group by function for faster recall and future customization. You finalize by creating a short, organized cheat sheet. Save it to your desktop or cloud so it's accessible when you need it. Then test each shortcut in different contexts within the app because behavior can change with focus or selection. Note conflicts and prioritize which binding you want to keep. If something fails, first check keyboard layout, modifier lock states and drivers. Reinstall or reset mappings if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. Swap to an on-screen keyboard to isolate hardware versus software issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.